On a daily basis, I'm intrigued and I ask myself this question: why is it that some organisations, despite operating in the same chaotic environment, grow faster and for longer than their competitors? Their people grow faster, their revenues grow faster, their teams grow faster, their leadership grows faster. And after 15 to 20 years of working in teams and organisations, I have seen firsthand what truly makes them fast, what truly accelerates their growth. And I've realised it's not just about fixing the culture, it's not just about attracting talent, it's certainly not about working harder or for longer. And many organisations aren't in bad shape, they have just slowed down. They have gone flat, which is why I've developed and created the Flat to Fast framework. It's a framework that reignites your speed, your growth and your impact. Ask yourself this: is your organisation ready to move faster? Driven by high performance teams that are impactful, highly accountable and truly engaged? If you are, let's talk. Are you ready to take on the challenge? Because this is for the brave to go faster.